Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of my favorite minimalist lifestyle topics, how to create a capsule wardrobe. If you've ever stood in front of your closet thinking, I have nothing to wear, even though it's packed full, this video is for you. A capsule wardrobe will simplify your mornings, save you money, and help you feel more confident in your personal style. So, what exactly is a capsule wardrobe? It's a small, carefully chosen collection of clothing that you love to wear, that mixes and matches easily, and that works for your lifestyle. Instead of 100 pieces you rarely use, you'll have 25 to 40 versatile items that cover all your needs without the stress of choice overload. The first step is to clear out what you don't need. Take everything out of your closet and ask yourself, do I love this piece? Do I actually wear it? Does it fit my current lifestyle? If the answer is no, it doesn't belong in your capsule. Be honest with yourself. It's about keeping what adds value, not what adds clutter. Next, pick a simple color palette that makes mixing and matching easy. Start with 2-3 neutral colors like black, white, beige, or navy. Then, add 2-3 accent colors that you love and that flatter you. This way, almost everything in your capsule will work together without much effort. Now, build your wardrobe with versatile basics. Think tops, simple t-shirts, blouses or button-downs. Bottoms, jeans, tailored pants or skirts. Outerwear, a classic jacket or coat. Shoes, a few pairs that cover work, casual, and dressy extras. Accessories that tie everything together. Remember, quality over quantity. Choose items you'll love to wear again and again. A capsule wardrobe isn't a one-time project, it's a lifestyle. At the start of each season, review what you have. Swap out items that don't fit your needs anymore, and only bring in new pieces if they truly add value. This keeps your wardrobe fresh but still minimal, and that's how you create a capsule wardrobe. By simplifying your closet, you simplify your life. You'll spend less time choosing outfits and more time living. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to declutter their style.